I took the window out, so while it's out I'll try and show you what I've done inside the door. I don't know if I'll be able to show you this, but basically in there is my channel. In there is my channel, and I made like a little bracket with slots, so I wasn't really trying to accurately position it. I could move the channel in the slots when it was in place. So the bolt that goes through the door has a nut locking it, and then there's two nuts and two washers, so I can adjust that bracket forwards and backwards and inwards and outwards if I wanted to. And there's a slot on the end of the bracket, and there's a stud that I've put into the channel that's peened over, like similar to how I did that one at the top. Then I've put the flexible channel in. This is the stuff I bought locally, and it runs down all the way down there. It's probably popped out of the channel again. It keeps popping out. But what I'm going to try and do now is put the window back in and get it all hooked up, and try and see if I can get the glass in and get the winder. Okay, hopefully that's shown what I've done, because the big channel that should be in this door just wasn't there, so I've had to improvise. Okay. Oh God, look at that. Chips out of the glass. Managed to chip the glass. It's annoying, isn't it? Brand new. Haven't even got it fitted yet. I think my channel must have been pushed out the way there. Let's get it in there and push it up. It's a bit tight because it's all brand new. Right, let's try this. As with everything I do, I'm not an expert, but I'm an engineer, so I kind of know how things work, so I kind of muddle my way through. Who else closes their eyes when they're working like this? I'm trying to get the thing into the channel bit, you know, the channel where it slides. No, that don't feel right. I think somebody's bent the end of the channel bit to make it so it don't slip out, but that makes it hard to put it in as well. It's like a spring that you have to, that's got it, have to depress. Where's it? Can't get my hand to the other one. there's got to be a correct way of doing this. Oh, I just don't know what a correct way is though. Okay. Okay, that's on both things now. Nearly dropped that. Get a couple of screws in to stop it all falling apart. Because if it slides forward, this thing can pop out the back of the channel. Let's just see what happens. That's good because it does go right the way to the top. I might drill and put some screws through the channel right at the ends. Right, let's just gingerly try this then. Okay, that's good over the first few inches. Just feeling to see where this oh, hang on, where is it? Oh, I'm filling the wrong thing, that's the door latch mechanism. Okay, oh that's miles away from the end of the thing at the moment. Right. Well, that is coming out of this channel, so this channel needs to come back. So I can adjust it on here, hopefully. Slacken that nut. I suppose what I ought to do is just pull this back so it's tight on the glass, but not tight on the nut. I'll just nip the nut up gently, then let the window come down and allow the window to push it. Okay. The access is crap in it. The access is awkward. Okay, that's... maybe I could go a bit tighter than that. Okay. Well, it goes up and down. That's good, isn't it? And because it's new channel, it should, you know, not rattle. Oh dear, how the mighty fall. Well, okay. It's because I haven't got any stuff in here. I'll have to get some of that stuff. Whatever it's called. Cat's whiskers, is it? Okay. Good. This needs... But at least the glass goes up and down the channel okay. Good, nice. Pleased with that. I'll try tightening this, bringing the channel back a bit further. You're just working blind in these things, aren't you? You just... I think that's on the end of the slot, to be honest. Well, it's on the end of the slot. I would have liked to maybe have gone a bit tighter with it. I could do it on that other stud, but it's so difficult to get the spanner on that other stud. The stud that's on the back of the channel sticking that way. That if it works, I'm going to leave it. And it works. So I'm going to leave it. What I'm trying to work out is how far, if there's any of the channel left at the bottom. Because I might just put a cable tie around the bottom. Not sure if I'll be able to do that. Quick drink. Slurp. See if I can get this onto that nut up there and just make sure it's tight. Everything's so awkward to get to. Well, that's got on it, I think. And that way is to tighten. That's tight. That's good. I'll see if I can get on the little stud that's going that way, because that's awkward as well. I might try loosening it and then tightening it. No, I'll just tighten it. Can't get onto it. It's all awkward. The way I've got my fingers. It isn't tight though, so I do need to tighten it. That's it, it's tight now. That's it, that'll do. Got that little spanner, look. Stanley 5/16 USA. Okay. That's good, isn't it? Pleased with that. Even with a chip in it. And this thing can't be popping off the back because it's going up and down nice now. Okay. It's great, you know, I just want to keep doing it. I think there's a couple of locations where you can put a screw in to hold the flexible channel. Oh, nice. Okay, good. I'll find some washers and things, do this a bit nicer. I like having them all matching. I'll replace that with a nicer shaped head, one with a nicer shaped head, and I might just put a screw in there just to fill the hole up, if I can get behind to put a nut on it. I've ordered some screws which I'm going to put there, but I think that's a good job. Right then, everything else is just simple, so I won't bother showing all that. And I'll see if I can just attach it again. Probably don't really need to see that either. Okay, thanks very much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for clicking like. Thanks for following me on this, you know, journey on the old truck. Catch you on the next one then. Bye. Where are you?